Hi, I'm Richard Martin, Senior Business Advisor with Best Practices. After 2020, biopharma marketing will never be the same. In this new reality, what are your competitors doing that's deemed most effective? How do you compare? What objective information do you have that can shape, support, and ultimately optimize your plans? Let's take a quick look at this. What's working most effectively is briefly highlighted here and detailed in the full study provides insight into what will likely continue and what might revert to the past from a marketing planning and effectiveness standpoint. Optimizing and sustaining marketing programs now that the digital virtual genie is out of the bottle is the marketer's dilemma. Insights shared in this report will shape marketers' success, ultimately your success, in the coming years. Let's take a look at some of the detail available here. Yes, driving revenue growth and product adoption is at the top of the list, along with access and customer engagement and satisfaction. That's fair enough. Nothing much has changed here. The problem is it's become far more difficult. Your field force has been or was out of the field for a long time. Typical marketing activities such as congresses changed completely. Patient interactions with healthcare providers have radically changed. How do you address this going forward? Well, you identify clear areas of return on investment to shape your marketing. While you may have insight into your own marketing ROI, how does that compare with what your peers are realizing? Should you look more carefully at where you're investing your time and resources? Well, sure, but that needs to be compared to something. This is the only place you will find such insight reported by your peers that enables that comparison. You can use this to test your own ROI or assumptions and use that to help shape your future efforts. There's much more detailed in this report, however. KPIs are critical, you know this. However, where is greater return being realized in KPI measurement and tracking? How do you compare? Are you spending too much time and effort on less productive activities, such as reported here by your peers? Should you consider working with your internal stakeholders to further refine and focus your efforts among these activities? Information in this study provides you with third-party support to help shape discussions with internal stakeholders to drive optimum initiatives forward. It's rare to get a peek into your peers, into your competitors' assessment of marketing effectiveness, especially in this new marketing paradigm. We're excited to be able to make this research available to you because your marketing efficiency is good for the whole industry. Waste creates clutter, and clutter creates confusion. The better we all are at marketing in the early 2020s, the better our industry and individual companies will be in the coming years. If you'd like to purchase the full range of insights available in this study or would like to discuss further, please let us know by taking action as directed here. It would be our great pleasure to be of assistance.